Yeah, originally I came in here for a little bit of everything, but mainly my feet and then upper back, neck area. But I mean, it's definitely helped. It's came a long way compared to other places that I've went to, physical therapy and stuff. It's just didn't do the trick like this is.
How are your feet doing now?
Oh, wonderful. Real good.
No problems there.
Now today my knee's bothering me a little bit today, but
okay.
But that could have just been from working or anything.
Yeah, you do construction, right? So you're
Yes.
up and down and lifting loads and
Jumping around, climbing around.
Yeah. Okay. Lift that leg straight up. Keep it straight and towards the center. There you go. Yeah, that still needs. That's a foot problem there. Okay, lift that up. Push. Yeah, they both are. Actually, let me check. That's one set of bones. I'm going to check some more. Push sideways against my hand. Let's see, that's good. That one. Yeah. That's what I'm looking for, kind of that lock.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Get that judo chop.
Yes. Okay. Lift it up and in. That's a lot stronger. Okay, up, higher, and then push it inward. Yeah, that's better, but I think I need to give that a little more attention. Okay. Now lift it up, push in, a lot better. Okay. Arm up straight, hand loose, put that thumb up, push against my hand. Yeah.
Make me feel weak.
It is weak, but that's not because you don't have the ability. It's because your nervous system is keeping it, it's trying to protect it. Okay, now push above your head. Still not quite there. Okay, now push above your head. That's a lot better. Now push above your head. Yeah. Let's try that. Push. Yeah, that's better. But I think I'm going to do a little bit of a... Now straighten it. Push. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Push to the right. Yeah, that's good. Lean over. Breath in, hand out.
Oh.
Yeah. Right up there, upper end. Okay. Good. Knee straight, lift that leg as high as you can. Good. Other one. Okay. How's the low back been, James?
Good. It's been good.
Cross the other way. If it's on anything important, we can move it. The block.
No, it's good. It's good.
Okay, cross the other way. Okay. Knee straight, lift that leg as high as you can. Good. Oh, yeah. Other one. Well, you can't see it from down there. Can you feel how much higher that's
Oh, yeah.
thing?
Definitely.
I want you to roll over on your right. Dangle you off the edge, but we're going to move that vertebrae in the bottom of your spine. Good. Other side up. Good. Okay, now grab on. Come on up. Stay right there. I'm going to get behind you. Okay, we're going to start with this arm. This one. Okay. Just want to make sure we got those all the way in. Yeah, you should have been able to just hold me straight up, because the last time, we were done, It got stronger this time. It just didn't seem like it was fully there. That's why I did this.
Yeah.
We just need to get him set, and he'll be fine for a while. But anyway, anything else you want me to look at? That I think we got everything that we.
That's everything.
Okay, you take care.
Thank you.